Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I did some shopping on Black Friday. I didn't even go ham like I would normally go ham because I still have quite a bit of yarn, but today I'm going to show you guys what I bought. So right here I'm just showing you all the yarn that I purchased from Premier Yarns. I bought the Premier Basics Chenille. I bought 40 skeins and they cost $166. It was on sale for 20% off. And I didn't just go crazy. This is the yarn I used to make my plushies. And I have 3 back-to-back markets this month, so I needed to stack up. I've already used quite a bit of it to prep for these markets. I'll probably talk more about my market experience at the end of the year. But yeah, so these are all the skeins I got from Premier Yarns. Okay, so here's one of the plushies that I made with the Premier Basics Chenille yarn. Super easy to work with, and it's affordable. And that one came out so cute, I might keep it. My animals decided to make a guest appearance while I unpack. Don't mind them. So I also stopped in Michael's and I picked up 2 skeins of Sweet Snuggles to give it another try. The last skein of Sweet Snuggles I got just is shed uncontrollably. So they were 30% off and I ended up paying $14 total for both skeins. I also got this yarn winder from Amazon. I think I paid $24 for it. I will not post a link to this because it's crap. Of course, had to get some polyfill. This is the best brand of polyfill I've tried and I got a pretty good deal on it. I also purchased this magnetic yarn holder from Amazon. It tips over with the slightest tug, so I'm not sure if I like it yet. I purchased an order from Yarnspiration, but it's been delayed, so still haven't received that yet. This is what my yarn room looks like now. It is absolutely chaotic. I need to organize. I used quite a bit of my last stash of the Premier Basics yarn to prep for my market, so I'm going to try to wind up some of the yarn and organize a bit better and put everything out. So this is what it looks like after organizing a bit. I did get to wind up a couple of the yarn balls. These are the balls I got to wind up before the yarn winder just stopped working altogether. So I do not recommend that brand of a yarn winder, of an electric yarn winder, if you do get one from Amazon. All right, thanks for watching. This was a pretty short video today. Like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.